Welcome back to the channel. The last 24 hours have been absolutely seismic for the world of artificial intelligence. We've just witnessed a monumental shift, moving AI infrastructure from the experimental sandbox into the realm of mission-critical, enterprise-level operations. If you've been following this space, you know that things move fast, but this is a whole new level of acceleration. It is like we've gone from building prototypes in a garage to rolling out a fleet of supercars onto the highway, all in a single day. First up, a major tech firm has just officially dropped its newest series of foundational models. This isn't just another incremental update. It's a definitive statement on the future of automation in the business world. This new series is built on a highly efficient architecture, designed from the ground up to prioritize two things: speed and accuracy, especially when dealing with complex reasoning and multi-step workflows. Think about all the tedious step-by-step processes that bog down companies. This is designed to handle them with unprecedented grace. The technical benchmarks are honestly staggering. This new model absolutely excels at pulling specific high-density data out of massive unstructured documents. It's also a powerhouse in real-world problem-solving scenarios. In a series of specialized logic tests, it consistently outperformed all previous versions, showing a remarkable ability to understand context and nuance. Why does this matter so much? It provides businesses with a tool that's not just powerful, but reliable. It's a smart technology that can be integrated directly into existing infrastructure without demanding extensive retraining or complicated overhauls. This is the plug-and-play moment many have been waiting for. Looking ahead, this innovation sets an entirely new standard. It's a blueprint for how professional software will likely evolve. We're moving towards tools that are not just smart, but intuitive and genuinely responsive to what a user is trying to accomplish. The days of fighting with clunky software might be numbered. This release signals a future where technology adapts to us, not the other way around. It's a huge leap towards making sophisticated AI a practical everyday asset for organizations of any size. But that's not all. In a completely separate but equally important development, one of the leading AI companies has just announced a strategic partnership with a global infrastructure provider. This isn't just a business deal, it's a collaboration aimed at building the very foundation for the next generation of AI research. Their primary goal is to expand hardware capabilities, but with a twist. They are focusing on creating large-scale systems that are both more powerful and more sustainable. The core of this collaboration is about smart design. They're combining specialized custom-designed chips with incredibly advanced cooling techniques. The objective here is clear: to drastically reduce the environmental footprint of these massive technological workloads. As AI models get bigger and more complex, their energy consumption becomes a serious concern. This partnership is tackling that problem head-on. For the broader industry, this sends a powerful message. The next wave of innovation won't just be about raw power. It will be defined by a delicate balance of power and responsibility. We can expect to see the first of these new systems go live later this year. When they do, it will likely usher in a brand new tier of cloud-based services. Imagine getting access to unprecedented computational performance, but with the peace of mind that it is being delivered with a focus on resource conservation and long-term stability. This is a move towards building a more resilient and responsible tech ecosystem, ensuring that our progress today doesn't come at an unsustainable cost tomorrow. It's a mature step forward for an industry that is growing up incredibly fast. And finally, to round out this incredible news day, another major tech firm has just unveiled a brand new suite of creative tools. These aren't just minor updates. They are designed to fundamentally change the game for high-fidelity media production. These new features allow creators to seamlessly translate conceptual ideas, those sparks of inspiration, into detailed, polished visual assets. This is about streamlining the entire workflow, from the first sketch to the final render, for everyone from independent creators to large-scale animation studios. One of the most impressive parts of this launch is the enhanced security and safety protocols. The company has made it a priority to ensure that all content generated with these tools aligns with strict safety standards and, crucially, respects intellectual property rights. This is a direct response to some of the biggest concerns in the creative AI space, and it shows a commitment to ethical innovation. This shift is incredibly significant because it dramatically lowers the barrier to entry for high-quality production. More artists, storytellers, and creators will now have the ability to bring their visions to life with professional-grade precision. Ultimately, the focus here remains on empowering human creativity. This isn't about replacing artists. It's about providing them with a supportive co-pilot. The technology is designed to handle the tedious, repetitive, and time-consuming aspects of the design process, freeing up creators to focus on what they do best: imagining, innovating, and telling compelling stories. It's a powerful example of how technology can augment our abilities and unlock new creative potential. So let's recap what we've seen in just the last 24 hours. We have a new gold standard for enterprise AI that's ready for prime time. We have a landmark partnership building the sustainable infrastructure for tomorrow's discoveries. And we have a new suite of tools that democratizes high-end creative production. Each of these developments is massive on its own, but together they paint a picture of an industry that is maturing at an astonishing rate. We are witnessing the real-world deployment of technologies that will redefine how we work, create, and solve problems. The transition from experimental to essential is happening right before our eyes. The implications are far-reaching, affecting everything from business strategy to environmental policy to artistic expression. It's an exciting and frankly pivotal moment in the history of technology. We're no longer just talking about what AI could do. We're now living in the reality of what it is doing. That's all the news for today. What are your thoughts on these incredible developments? Which one are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you want to stay on top of the latest breakthroughs, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.